This is an Audi A4. A European mid-sized sedan.
And while every model in this category offers a 2-liter Turbo 4, the A4's is something special.
And this is an Audi A4, an American premium mid-size sedan. Both the cars are identical. Both are made in the same German factory. Both have the same engine, but something really strange happens when the German Audi A4 is shipped across the Atlantic. It loses all its miles per gallon efficiency. An Audi A4 driven in the United Kingdom gets 59 highway miles to the gallon. But in the United States, exactly the same car, an Audi A4, built in the same German factory with the same engine, gets 35 highway miles to the gallon. Well, who's smart out there? The answer is obvious. The US gallon and the UK gallon are different sizes. For some bizarre reason, the US gallon is 20% smaller than the UK gallon. Don't even go there to ask me why, but it is. But hang on, that's what I thought was the explanation. So you would assume that the 20% difference would totally account for the poor fuel economy, 35 versus 59 miles per gallon for the same car. Let's do the arithmetic. Okay, let's just add 20% more gasoline to an Audi A4 and we'll get 59 miles to the gallon. Well, you don't. You get 42. The answer is fascinating. It's also pulling the wool over American consumers' eyes, and it's scandalous. So do you know why the identical car in Europe or America gets such poor gas mileage? If you think you know the answer, write it in the comments below or tune in for part 2 of Gasoline Mystery on the Professor Simon channel. The truth is out there.